Today, we're gonna learn 할만해, a phrase Koreans use all the time. First, listen to the following dialogues and try to guess what 할만해 means from the context. Dialogue 1. Is the restaurant any good? 엄청 좋진 않은데 가볼만해. Dialogue 2. Do you know who got first place on the exam? Max did. 맥스면 1등 할만해. Did you catch the meaning? Don't worry, it'll make sense by the end. 할만해 is translated into it's worth or someone is good enough to So if you look over our dialogues again, Dialogue 1. Is the restaurant any good? 엄청 좋진 않은데 가볼만해. It's not great, but worth trying. 가볼만해 here means the restaurant is worth trying going. The English translation might look awkward, but please note it's for delivering the nuance of 가보다, try going. Dialogue 2. Do you know who got first place on the exam? Max did. 맥스면 1등 할만해. That makes sense. Max deserves it. 맥스면 1등 할만해 here means 맥스면, if it's Max, 1등 할만해. He's good enough to deserve first place. But these translations can't fully deliver the original Korean nuance. So I'll tell you what 할만해 exactly means from now. Let's imagine a scale like this. And let's draw a line between bad and okay. If something's in this area, in that case, Koreans say 할만해. And that's why it means it's worth or someone is good enough to in English. The thing is, since 할만해 covers this vast area, its meaning varies according to the context. In other words, 할만해 sometimes means it's not a bad decision to sometimes means it's a great decision to The meaning doesn't change. Only the degree above the line changes. So it's really important to catch the degree from not bad to great. Let's go over the dialogue 1 again. Dialogue 1. Is the restaurant any good? 엄청 좋진 않은데 가볼만해. In this case, would you guess where 가볼만해 should be in the previous scale? Yes, here. Because the context is 엄청 좋진 않은데. It's not great, but 엄청 좋진 않은데 가볼만해. It's not great, but it won't be a bad decision to go there. It makes sense, right? Then how about this one? Dialogue 2. Do you know who got first place on the exam? Max did. 맥스면 1등 할만해. Would you guess where 1등 할만해 should be in the scale? This time, here or here? Because the context is about first place. Nobody says he's not bad to get first place, right? 맥스면 1등 할만해. Max is good enough to get first place. Now you get the feeling of 할만해. The point here is 할만해 covers this area. It's hard to tell which degree it means from different contexts, but you'll get used to it over time. Just make sure to remember this scale, and with that in your mind, consume Korean native content. If so, you're gonna get the hang of it faster than you're worried. So today's mission, make your own sentence using 할만해. And make sure to include English translation too. I want to see if you understood the scale concept. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be right back. Thanks for watching.